Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Thank you ever so much for joining me today for a midweek mini project. Ordinarily with my midweek minis, I take one stamp set from the mini catalogue and create 3 cards with it. However, today I have 2 stamp sets. So I have Amazing Silhouettes and Happy and Heartfelt. Amazing Silhouettes has these gorgeous images on but has no sentiments. Happy and Heartfelt has all these wonderful sentiments on and no images. So I thought we'll push them both together and we'll put them in one midweek mini project. And there we go. At the moment, this video is coming to you start of February, so we're still in celebration. You could add both of these to your basket. So long as you spend £45 or more with me, you're eligible for a free celebration stamp set. Offer ends end of February. Don't miss out, there's some gorgeous sets there. Everything I use today is available from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Let's get started. So I'm going to start off with this tree because I think it's wonderful. And as I'm looking at it, I'm really hoping it fits on my E-block. I don't think it's going to, which means I'm going to have to go and grab one of my big blocks. I don't have them in the same place just at the back of my desk because they don't fit. And do I want to do it sideways? Oh, I don't really want to do it. Okay, right, let me just lean across here. This is preparation at its finest, and grab me my big block. There we go. Right. I think I'm going to go with Pear Pizzazz for this. And I'm going to ink that up. Ink the whole tree. And I'm taking the ink pad to the stamp because it's such a big stamp. Okay, and I've got just the edge of the rubber there, which is not ideal. So I'm just going to wipe around there and re-ink. There we go, right. Line it up. I'm going towards the centre with this one. And put it down. I'm not very good with the big blocks, I'll pre-warn you. I'm just not very good at keeping them straight. That's why I try not to. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, look how effective that is, everybody, look. Do you know what, that's stunning. Right, I don't think I'm even going to... I've got my blending brushes and everything ready to go on the outside. No, I'm not playing. So, where are we going to go? I'm going to go with Being Awesome Is Just Your Thing, because I think that's a really nice one. And where am I going to put it? Am I going to put it on there? Yes, I am. I was going to attach it to a separate tag and put it on, but I'm just going to drop it just there. Being Awesome Is Just Your Thing. Oh, simple, beautiful, gorgeous. Right. Card base. Some seal. Card number 1. Card number 2. Let's bring back the actual pictures. For card number 2, I'm going to go with the butterfly. I think the butterfly is gorgeous. And the butterfly for me is going to be in Flirty Flamingo. I'm going to do this one, Landscape. And I'm going to put the butterfly about there because it's flying, right? Oh, isn't that gorgeous? These are gorgeous stamps. I love this effect around the outside, this sort of blotched effect. So, I'm going to go with heck yeah, because I quite like that. So that would be shout if you see it. Heck yeah, up there. Sometimes it's easier to turn it across and actually just see the writing from the other side. So there we go. Heck yeah. And I'm going to grab my blending brush. So like I said, I wasn't going to blend before. I am blending now. And I'm just going to grab a piece of scrap basic white, ink that up. I'm just going to come around the edge of the card. Like that. I was going to go all the way around, but actually as I was going, I quite liked it just being the corner. So heck yeah. Fun picture, fun sentiment. I'm going to pop all my embellishments on at the end so that I have my one embellishment jar and I go through and decorate all 3 cards. So don't think I'm forgetting it. I'm not. I will get there, honestly. There we go. Heck yeah. Right, next card up is this sort of leaf here, but I'm going to do this a bit different. I'm going to do this instead of going back with the greens, I'm actually going to do this sort of frosted. I think I'm going to come in with Pool Party for it. Shock horror. Love Pool Party. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. Beautiful colour. If you're looking at getting a Stampin' Up colour and you don't have any of our colours yet, the one to make you want them. Pool Party. Right. Let's just stamp that down in the corner there. Actually, no, I'm not going to. Where's my scrap paper? Right. I'm going to stamp it off the card like this. So I'm just going to balance that there. And I'm going to do that. That. Yes, I'm going to go all the way round in a little Pool Party circle. Oh, Helen. Right. I kind of messed that up a little bit. Shh, we didn't see it. And I've got my Pool Party blending brush and off I go. It's exactly the same as what we've just done with the Flirty Flamingo. We're just going to go around the edges with this. We're not taking it far in because we still want to have the white part shine through. We're just sort of hitting the edges just to get a bit of shading in there. And in this corner. And there we go. Right. Sentiment for this one. All day, your way. Love that. There's some really nice and unusual sentiments in that set, isn't there? So, all day, your way. Haha. Okay, some adhesive on the back of there. card base, fold it, burnish it, and put that on there. Right, embellishment time, embellishment time. Grab my little drawer of embellishments. Which ones do we want to use? So, I'm thinking probably not the brushed ones. Oh yes, because I like these. So I'm going to use these on this one here. Oh, I didn't think that was sticky, and it's because it stuck to my hands the other way. So I'm going to put a couple of white ones in the middle because there's white and there's green on this. Oh, come on, take a pick tool, do your magic. There we go. Okay, there we go. All day your way. So that's that one. Don't really want rhinestones. Oh, these come off this paper very, very easy. So if you have them, just be very delicate with it. Very delicate. Oh yes, this is for my butterflies. Heck yeah, is going to have these gorgeous rhinestones on. These are from the mini catalogue as well, and they shimmer like anything. They're the iridescent rhinestones, and they are gorgeous. Heck yeah. Last one up, being awesome. Yes, I've got the iridescent. Oh, do I? No, I'm going to come with the elegant faceted gems actually, and I'm going to use the see-through ones. Yeah, glad I chose these. There we go. Right, let's get them all on screen and you can tell me which one's your favourites. So, card 1, card 2 and card 3. I actually love all of them. If I had to pick a favourite, and trust me, it's a tough one to do, I think I'd actually go for the tree. Shock horror, I thought it would be the heck yeah, but no, it's the tree. Everybody let me know below which one your favourite is, and I'll see you all soon. Don't forget, everything that I've used today is available from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Have a good day, everyone. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.